Hello friends, welcome to Zcom Technical channel. In this video we will learn how an electric geyser works, and if it is not working or damaged, how you can repair in your home. Now let's come on diagram where we will see very simple wiring connection of electric geyser. Here is a heater. As I told you, it is a main component of geyser for giving power supply to heater. Here we will use 3-pin plug top, and for controlling water temperature we will use water temperature controller, which is called thermostat. This thermostat will switch off water heater when water temperature will reach on selected temperature, which we set on thermostat. Thermostat is also a very important component in geyser because it controls the water temperature in geyser. If it is faulty, our geyser will not work. I will explain you later on in this video how we can check if this thermostat is not working or it has any fault. Now here one more protection we will use, which is called auto cutoff relay. It is also a type of thermostat switch, and we use it because let's suppose any time due to any reason if thermostat stop to work or damage, then it will protect to our heater to avoid continuously working. Now here we will use indication lamps. Green means if it is on, heater is working, and the red lamp when it is on, heater in resting position. Now we do the wiring. First we will finish the phase wiring and then neutral. So from this pin we will take the wire and connect to auto cutoff relay input terminal, and from output terminal of auto cutoff relay we will connect to the input terminal of thermostat, and from the output terminal of thermostat we will connect to the heater. Must care about wiring when you are doing the phase wiring. Always thermostat and auto cutoff relay should be in series. So now we will finish neutral wiring. From this pin we will take the wire and connect to the heater. So at this point our heater has power supply. Now we will finish the indication lamps wiring. We will take a wire from output terminal of auto cutoff relay and then connect to the red indication lamp, and also from the neutral line we will connect the wire for to the lamp for neutral wiring. And now for green lamp we will take a wire from output terminal of thermostat and connect to the connect to the green lamp. Also we will connect the neutral wire. So now you can see that this is the thick pin. Okay, from this pin we will give earthing to our geyser. We will connect this wire to the body of geyser. It is very necessary, and as per the safety point it must be connected because we know our geyser has a water storage. So now friends, I will tell you when your geyser is not working how you will check. So main thing in, as I told you, heater is the main component in geyser. So normally always problems comes in the heater. So how we will check either our heater is working or not working? So from this multimeter we will connect this uh, knob as per the diagram. You can see uh, we will connect our multimeter to the heater, and we set multimeter as resistance mode. At this mode, when you will connect the heater, it must be giving some readings like 1000 ohms, 2000 ohms or 3000 ohms. So it's mean that our heater is working fine, and if it is not giving any reading, it's mean that it is faulty or damaged. You need to change it. So here I will tell you one other alternative way how you can check if you don't have multimeter. So you can connect phase wiring to the input terminal of thermostat and connect to your power supply, and from the other side output terminal you can check by the tester. So if the tester is when you give the power supply and you connect the tester with output terminal, and if you getting the light in the tester, it's mean your thermostat is working fine. And if you are not getting light in the tester, it's mean that your thermostat has faulty or damage, you need to change it. So this is a very simple way you can check it if you don't have any multimeter. So hope you like the video. Please subscribe our channel for upcoming more informative videos. Thank you very much. Bye.